Matthew Finnen Doyle is an American actor and singer-songwriter known for his work in musical theater. He made his Broadway debut in 2007 in Spring Awakening as replacement for the role of Hanschen, and later had supporting roles in the Broadway productions of Bye Bye Birdie in 2009 and War Horse in 2011. He joined the Book of Mormon in 2012, replacing Nic Rouleau as Elder Price. Following a period of performing off-Broadway and regionally, he joined the Broadway transfer of the gender-swapped production of Company in 2021, playing the role originated by Jonathan Bailey in the West End. For his performance, he won the Tony Award for Best Featured Actor in a Musical. As singer-songwriter, Doyle performs in live shows and has released 2 EPs, namely, Daylight and Constant. He released his first full-length album, Uncontrolled, in 2016. Doyle grew up in Weston, Connecticut, before moving to Southern California in his adolescence. After graduating from Redwood High School in Larkspur, California, Doyle went on to train in the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Art for a year. Doyle made his Broadway debut in 2007, at age 20, as a standby in the original Broadway production of Spring Awakening. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.